What turns me on and is relatable to other females? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Lattydesire. Today I'm gonna give the guys 10 ways in which you can attract a woman. But before we get into the video, please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet a part of my family. Click on the like button down below and leave a comment in the comment section as well. So let's just cue the intro and get right into the video.
We living free. Minding my business, doing what's right. I'm living happy. Yes, I'm alright. Taking chances. I'm doing just fine. Walking on sunshine. I'm living life.
It's obvious that I'm not a male, but I'm a female and I know what we like. All right, so I'm gonna be giving you 10 ways, guys, in which you can help to better yourself and to make you more attracted to more females. All right, number 1, talk less, more action. Women tend to dislike when men overly chat. Talk. We do not like that. We will admire a man all day just working and getting the job done. Just watching him in action and doing what he's supposed to do. Number 2, personal hygiene is very important. It doesn't matter what job or business you're in. Having a good shower is very important, guys. Take care of yourself. Females, you have females who look straight in your mouth to see what's going on. You have females who look at your hands. I'm the one that oral hygiene is very important for me, but you have females who pay attention to your fingers, your body, you know. Also, smell is very important, so take time in taking care of yourself, showering yourself properly and doing what you're supposed to do. Get your spray as well, good lotion, moisturize your skin just the same. Number 3, body language explains and tells a lot about a man. So whenever you're going to approach a woman, make sure your shoulders is open, poised, you have a good posture, your legs are slightly open, not widely open, not widely, but your legs are slightly open and your chest is open and your arms are open. This is a signal that you are approachable and you're invitable too. So next time you go to see a woman or you try to approach a woman, please not to slope down or hey, you know, that's not cool. We tend to Number 4, how you treat others around you. We normally tend to judge. That's a way to reveal your character. How you treat your family, how you treat people in the restaurant, wherever we go together. That is very like, we have a lot of conversation about these things. Like, we be like, girl, we went out and he was so good to the waitress. Like, he speaks so highly about his mom. He talks so good about people. We love that. So your character is very important. So whenever you decide to go out on a date with somebody, be careful of the things that you say around her, about anybody. Number 5, have a good sense of humor. We love to giggle. Women, we love to laugh, and you know, don't try to be too serious all the time. I'm not saying that you should be a joker or a clown, but having a good sense of humor is very good, and she will be help her to be more comfortable and open around you. Number 6, make sure your hair is cut neatly. Find something that suits you. Not because this guy look good with this style is gonna fit you. Find what works for you. If you have dreads, make sure your dreads is smelling good. If you have hair, make sure your hair is smelling good. Women, we sniff a lot, and most of us, we don't like when guys are too neat. We love when guys you know, are put together clean and fresh and nice and have a little bit of edge, if you know what I mean. That's me personally. I don't like when men are too pretty or too neat. I like when they have, you know, like a man and they have a little bit of edge. Number 7, invest in a good cologne, at least one. As I said before, we love to sniff. We also remember what the person smells like on the first date. That's how important smell is for us. So having a good cologne is so good. And if you're an introverted person, this is a good way for you to open conversation with people, because people obviously gonna come to you and ask you, what is that you're wearing? I love your fragrance. Number 8, do something to improve your health. Go to the gym, run, walk, something to give your body what it's supposed to get. Eat right. Because as much as you guys want us to work on ourselves, as in our body or looks, we want you to work on yourself too. And imagine if both of you are working on yourself. That's just a miracle. So work on yourself, and that you can motivate you as well. Men are always supposed to be the leader, the bosses for us. So we're just here to give you guys the advice and to help to guide you. But, you know, keep working on yourself. Number 9, improve your listening skills. Most of the time, guys are very weak in this area, because you guys will hear us, but most of the time I think you guys are not really listening to what we're saying. So practice working on your listening skills to understand her more, and so that she can feel a little bit more important, that you remember the things that are important to her. Number 10, women love when men are purpose driven. You don't have to be successful right now, but your effort, a woman will admire your effort and your strength for you to put yourself to say, okay, I'm gonna do this, and then you're there executing it. Oh my God, that really turns me on. But yes, read more, so you can engage in good topics with the female, and you can also be able to help her too, and to educate her about a lot of things. So 3 bonus tips for you. Be spontaneous and adventurous. A woman loves when a man is open to trying new things. No woman like a boring man. Number 2, when you're gonna take her out on a date, make sure you have something in hand. A wine, something that she talk about, that she likes, flowers. Make sure you bring something. And 3, don't waste her time. 4, be present when you're around her. It shows that you value her, and she will feel that she's important. Also, don't forget to love yourself first at all time. Prioritize what you're supposed to prioritize for yourself, and do not waste your time. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you find these tips very useful, please let me know in the comment section down below. And I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Over here is 10 ways a female can attract a man. So click on it to find out, you know what's up.